Hindi ya uruguria wa riboti ya uruti wa wira honge-ini itari cia githirikari, Minista wa ugitiri wa thiini Ndagitari Fred Matiang'i niaheanite mwihoko kuri ya Kenya iguru rigie gutabanio gwa ithurano cia uuma na wuigiririki. Matiang'i ni akomithetie muhuhu wothe wa njama ya thirikari ya guthagathagia ya Kenya makiria kuhitukira kumaima uhuthiri wa ukinyaniria wa kiriu hindi ya githurano.
They're not going to be that small funny, things that people do in some parts of even this continent. Waking up in the morning and shutting down the internet, or waking up in the morning and shutting down WhatsApp and so on and so forth. Those things are not going to happen in our country.
Ningi Matiang'i ni aheanite kiraniro kuri honge itari cia githirikari akiranira gutigirira honge ici ni ciaheo wiyathi wa kwiaria na kuheana mawoni mao iguru rigie githurano hatari guthagathagio ni honge ciothe cia thirikari.
Again, we will work with you, and I want to assure you, those of you who are working in the governance sector, that we will support the work you do, and we will ensure that we provide whatever security that you will need to ensure that you operate freely and you do your work freely as you reach out to our people.
Niguo kwagirithio nyitaniri gatagate ga thirikari na honge ici, riu miario gatagate ka honge ici ciere nitanyitwo kwararamio mahinda kwa mahinda mbere na thutha wa githurano.
We can live with criticism. We chose democracy, which means we will not all think and see things the same. We accept your different opinion from ours. That is the way we are going to live as Kenyans, because we chose democracy. No amount of criticism, no amount of disagreement, no amount of divergence of opinion is going to tempt us enough to clamp down or interfere with NGOs. We will not do that.
Honge ici ni nieraniire gutigirira ni ciakinyaniria wira wacio gigatiba igitigirira ati ihoto cia Kenya na wiyathi wao wa gwicagurira atongoria ni warumirirwo.
This year, let's continue championing for peace ahead of the elections. Also ensure that there will be free and fair elections in our country. I know that is an area we have been working very closely, partner with the necessary agencies like IBC and other institutions that is charged with ensuring that the democratic gains are safeguarded.
Ona kuri uguo honge ici ni irutiirwo ritana ria kwiyandikithia ta uria mathitwo kiwatho arita njira ya kuima mweke honge ta ici iringikorwo na itanya ria guthoga thayo wa muingi.
It is easier for us now, speaking as a security minister, to know that there are no people around who are being misused by terror organizations to masquerade as civil society organizations, but they are conduits for illicit funds and illicit resources that are going into radicalization and recruitment for terrorism.
Mwaka muhituku honge ici ciahuthirire makiria ya ciringi bilioni 138 hari tabarĩra itiganĩte bũrũri-inĩ. Rĩu honge 11,890 ikiandĩkithio. Handũ-inĩ ya Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Bataru wa Mwangi.